the fever. The coral reefs are changing color, the black and crimson bleached away, the ocean's rising fever. In every drop the sea's over damages the membrane of symbiotic algae, and coral reefs change their color. True, it's less sensational than acts of terror. True, we can slather sunblock than sunbathe, despite the ocean's rising fever. After all, the planet isn't boiling over. Algae is not an inflamed country. It's just coral reefs changing color. I wonder if it's yet again the ozone layer ruined by my aunt's persistent use of hairspray, this ocean's rising fever. I already own my share of vivid jewelry from my mother's childhood village on Maui. Still, the living are losing color in my ocean's escalating fever.
At my worst, I control the boundaries of my form. And yet, when divine, the self permeates the physical world. It's true, the atoms of our bodies grieve each other in death, just like a color doesn't occur alone, but takes meaning from other colors. The moon was a changeable star that ruled men's fate. Water was green and not blue to medieval cartographers. The complexity of ochre begs the viewer to grapple with it. We are swiftly becoming an indoor species. Yet scientists know more about outer space than the Earth's oceans. Humans brought the natural world into their homes to combat the rise of machines. Without us knowing, trees conversed via latticed fungi. Gender isn't something one is, but performs. We are a vast assembly of nerve cells, the continents longing for each other.
California dreams. Wake up to the smell of smoke. Think the oven is on fire. The house is burning. But no, it's my mother. It's the trees. It's the neighbors. It's California. The coast, the city, the empire smells like campfire, like bonfire, like death pyre, end pyre, expire, smells like ash and smoke. California burns under jaundiced sky and blood-sick sun. Sick blood, slick blood, sick of blood. Yesterday, another fire, different smoke. I was still far away dreaming California, walking on sunshine, swimming in blood, sun, fire. You fire, you fired, you're fired. From a cannon, a smoking gun. Set alarms ringing like calls unanswered, calls to prayer, call from the dying, call to the dying. We burn. California glows, orange warning, detour hazard, acid, radioactive, tumor, cigarette, lava, nuclear meltdown, danger. Smoke alarm won't stop now. Stop. We are burning incense in the house. We are burning trees with the weeds. We are burning dreams at the stake. California soul lingers in the ears. These years, the skies, pallid, ashen pallor, a pall of smoke lingers. All the leaves are brown. Wake up the trees. The end smells like California. Yesterday, I was still dreaming sunshine in blood orange. Now we are in the trees. We are California soul in the skies. A pall of smoke leaves. The end smells like orange trees. We are a pall of smoke.
In the Mojave Desert, a translucent crystal offers bryophytes much needed respite from the heat of the sun. For hypolithic mosses, it seems, 4% of daylight is right. They live, the headline says, by sheltering under a parasol of translucent quartz. The crystal scatters the light's ultraviolet, dilutes its heat, traps the night's condensed moisture to moss-sized rain. I think of these mosses and consider, perhaps we too are mosses evolving to the parch of our self-made Mojaves, unable to bear the full brightness, the full seeing, to recognize fully the Amazon burning, the Arctic burning, the monarch's smoke-colored missing migration. An experiment not meant to last. And yet we found shelter within it. We pondered our lives and the lives of others, thirsted, slept. To the implausible green of existence, for better, for worse, we offered our 4% portion of praises. For better, for worse, our 4% portion of comprehension. And I think I've used up my 6 minutes, so I will save any further comments for the question and answer. Thank you for your attention.